everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about Lolita fashion style. As you can see that today I wear the full set of Lolita fashion. So actually this style has inspired a lot about Victorian and Rococo clothing. They use lots of lace, ribbons, and if you can see lots of very beautiful details. And also this style is a part of Harajuku fashion style. So it means that they mix lots of very cute and very fun style together. So in my opinion, fashion is all about expressing yourself. And the most important thing is be yourself and enjoy fashion. So today I will use some very beautiful color palettes inspired by the Lolita fashion style, such as Sweet Lolita and Gothic Lolita, and bring them to my artwork. So grab your favorite drink and popcorn and let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to show you something special. So this is one of my favorite books, the Gothic and Lolita Bible. It's full of photos, outfits, articles, and everything about Lolita fashion. Every time I flip through it, I feel like I'm entering a dreamy little world. And that's exactly what Lolita is all about. Let's take a quick look as we talk about the history and feeling behind it. Lolita fashion comes from Japan and is inspired by Victorian and Rococo styles. It features big dresses, lace, and lots of lovely little details. There are many different styles in the Lolita world. Sweet Lolita is cute, Gothic Lolita is dark and elegant, and Classic Lolita is vintage and romantic. This fashion is also a big part of Harajuku culture, where people express themselves freely through unique and creative outfits. For me, Lolita means living inside a little dream, even for a little while. I've loved Lolita fashion since I was around 20. At first, I thought it was so beautiful. All the tiny details, the lace, I was obsessed. But honestly, I feel like, well, this might be too much for me to wear in real life. The dresses looked so dreamy, and I wasn't sure if it would really suit me. But little by little, I started to try, and the first time I wear a full Lolita outfit, it feels amazing. Like I was finally doing something just for me. So for me, Lolita isn't just about fashion, it's a way to show a quite little part of myself that I usually keep hidden. That's also why I love Harajuku culture. It's loud, beautiful, and full of freedom. You can wear whatever you want, and no one will judge you. I also have this book called Fresh Fruit. It's full of street fashion photos taken in Harajuku. Each page shows real people with creative outfits. Some are cute, some are just a little bit wild, but often are totally original. It's a perfect example of how Harajuku fashion is really about freedom and self-expression. Now it's coloring time. I got this coloring book from Kmart. It has some really pretty coloring pages and also 15 extra magnets to choose from. Each page is so beautiful and the materials feel really nice. And guess what? It was only $4, so worth it. There are the magnets are cut out. Let's pick one to color today. I choose this long-haired princess, and I think this is Repaint Princess. I'm going to color her dress using Sweet Lolita colors, pink, light blue, lavender, and yellow. I will start with yellow for the hair. This piece is really tiny, so I need to be extra patient. Next, I'm using lavender. It makes a nice contrast with the yellow. Okay, finish! So now let's stick her on the fridge. Wow, she looks so cute! I got this Make It Real coloring book from Kmart as well. There are a few different styles in this series, and I picked one with more of a street fashion look to match today's theme. The content inside is really rich. It has stickers and 12 pages of tips and inspiration. It even includes things like basic color theory and drawing techniques. Are you interested in this kind of book? And if you like, I can go through more of it in one of the next episodes. This page shows body proportions. It's more like an anime style figure. So if you like something more realistic, you could try life drawing instead. For today, I choose this character named Luna. So first, I choose the pattern motifs. I went with a pink one and a green one because they really match the Sweet Lolita vibe. Once I picked the patterns, I moved on to choosing the colors for today's art. In real fashion design, we often start with a motif or pattern, then choose colors that match the theme, just like I'm doing right now. I'm starting with pink for the hair, then I will move on to the dress. I'm using darker pink to show the folds in the fabric. After that, I'm adding some Lolita style details on top of the original outfit. That way, the whole look feels more like today's theme, something elegant and fancy. Now I will use green for some of the smaller details. On the left side, there's a little color palette area, so I'm filling in the colors I used today. It's a nice way to keep everything clear. Let's keep on adding colors to the small details. And it's almost done. I'm going to name this girl Atlantis. Last but not least, let's add a few stickers to give it that final touch. All done! I really love how she turned it out, so cute! Okay, so these are all about today's. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day and I will see you next time. Bye!